as a base guarder, our main responsibility is to understand everything that happened inside the base. And with the soldier, we are responsible to guiding them, enhancing their knowledge about the base, and helping them become better soldier. Sir, was this is the number two question. Because I want to teach and guide other soldiers to help them become better. I also want to show my best to and share my knowledge so they can learn more. I expect to guide new recruits around the base, helping them become familiar with the area and understand how things work inside the base. Yes, yes, civilian or gang member are not allowed to be inside or take control of the base. If they are found inside, we command them to the base, leave the army base immediately. If a recruit does not listen, we correct them using macro and, if necessary, a taser to regain control of the situation. If a civilian approach the concrete area, ignore warning and behave inappropriately, we can use lethal force after a 10 seconds countdown. If a civilian enters the base using a vehicle, if a civilian attack us of show hostile intent, we can defend ourselves. Yes, but as a soldier, I am prepared for fulfill my duty. I want to show my skills and help other soldiers or recruit who need assistance inside the army. Uh, there are four material depth event in the army. What, sir? Yes, sir. Four. Four. Oh, oh yes, that the last event. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yes, we are not allowed to eat during a material depth event, sir. Not sure, not allowed. Yes, I do. I want to contribute to improving base operation and helping maintain a disciplined and effective environment inside the base. Okay, sir. Thank you.